Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can detach a photo or image from your design background on Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your logo or photo or project or design here on Canva. And what you want to do, guys, is let's say for instance you or one of your co-editors has made the given image or photo the background accidentally or on purpose. You can detach it from the background to edit it. So what you want to do is right click into it, select detach image from background. And as you can see, guys, we have that background frame here and the image now, and I can move it here on that frame or background. And if you like to make it the entire background again and make it basically the background layer, you can right click into it again and choose set image as background to return to the previous setup. And as you can see now, it covers the entire frame. That's how to do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.